Found a home you love? Here are 4 tips to help you make a strong, smart offer. Tip number 1, know your budget and work with a lender before you start seriously looking. Getting pre-approved tells you exactly what you can afford, and it shows sellers that you're a serious, qualified buyer the moment you make an offer. Tip number 2, be ready to move quickly. In a competitive market, desirable homes don't stay available for long. That means having your financing in order, knowing your must-haves ahead of time, and being prepared to schedule a showing and submit an offer within days, sometimes even hours, of a home hitting the market. Tip number 3, craft an offer that's both strong and fair. This means looking at the home's market value, recent sales of similar homes nearby, and how much buyer demand there is for that property. An offer that's too low can get rejected outright, while an offer that's too high can leave you overpaying. The goal is a number that reflects what the home is genuinely worth in today's market. And tip number 4, understand the seller's needs and be thoughtful about your own contingencies. Sometimes a seller cares just as much about a smooth closing or fewer conditions as they do about the price itself. Being strategic about which contingencies you include and which ones you're comfortable letting go of can make your offer more competitive without putting you at unnecessary risk. Making the right offer isn't just about the number, it's about strategy. If you're getting ready to buy and you want help putting together an offer that gives you the best chance of winning the home, let's connect. I'll walk you through it every step of the way.